Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you that the device comes with a USB-C cable inside the box. So now we'll just open this box here. Yes, as can you see, we got here the USB-C cable inside the box of our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and you should just buy the charger brick if you want to use the regular charger brick to charge your phone, or for example the wireless charging. So that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.